Welcome to Industrial Design and Technology. My name's Corey Gieskens, and I'm here to unpack for you the design subjects we do from Year 7 through to the end of Year 12 and take you on a bit of a journey of the really cool and exciting things that we get to do in these subject areas. In design technology, the key for all of our manufacturing of student prototypes and ideas is all about the technology. This is a very fancy 3D printer that uses wax that can then be melted out. But when we have a really high quality product from a student, we will use this machine to knock out a product. Students who do design, when we start in Year 7 and Year 8, we're looking at students learning the design cycle. So how to empathise with the client's needs or the problem at hand, and students start to unpack it in small steps and ways. So we do that in Year 7 by looking at empathising with a client for a fashion accessory. So you can see some of the fashion accessory students make here, but we culminate by doing some group work with students designing and manufacturing mousetrap race cars, which has got some embedded science technology in there, and then as a group of students they break down the jobs and put it together. In Year 9, students actually embed themselves a whole lot more in empathy when they design a small home for somebody else. They actually use SketchUp to draw that home on CAD. They then use the VR technology to give feedback and feed forward to their peers and talk about it, and then they go ahead and produce a scale model of their home to fully showcase their ideas. The key with design as we start to get into Year 10 is the multiple options a student can do. So for example, we design a poster and teaching digital skills, but we also culminate the year by doing human-centered design, where a student can actually choose any type of response and way of responding. So we have students who sew dresses, they might create an app, all of those sorts of things. So there's lots of different ways a student can prototype their ideas and design. In Year 11 design and Year 12 design, we start to get a lot more serious in regards to the theoretical side behind design. So we look at design styles, we look at fundamentals and the principles of design. We also look at who famous designers are and the influences that they might have upon our designs. The main tools of a design student up in here is, the pens, the pencils, being able to sketch, being able to use Play-Doh, and all of the technology. We also need to really talk to a stakeholder, and so our ideas, our designs are usually done with a client, so the students are engaged in real-world learning, real-world problems and trying to solve those problems to the best of their ability. We work a lot in conjunction with QUT, Real-World Studio competition. We won that last year. The girls won the first prize. Got a number of students again this year involved in that. So we partnership very closely with QUT. If you're interested in this subject or any of the subjects that I've described in this video, please feel free to contact me via email, and I'm more than happy to fill you in on any questions you might have or further information. Thank you.